Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video update today, and we got something to talk about here for Jasmy, and it's been sideways. We haven't seen Jasmy doing any bad performance, just boring performance, but not a bad one, not a worse one, not something that is scaring people at the moment. People have faith that Jasmy is getting some signs of life back and trying to move back again. But I think there's a little bit of pattern since from the last time we've talked about Jasmy, and that pattern is important to talk about here. I got the left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. You got inverse head and shoulder, especially on the 4-hour time frame. And for this inverse head and shoulder, I want to take a trend line and draw that trend line right over here. So let's look at what is going on. So you are at number one resistance, second resistance here, third resistance there, and the fourth resistance right over here. That's pretty much what I do see. On the daily time frame, it's also pretty much on the resistance areas. On the daily, it's almost like the neckline is, you can say it's a little bit down here, but on the 4-hour time frame, it's more like right above here. So I'm just going to go with the 4-hour time frame at the moment. The reason of choosing the 4-hour time frame is because the trend line is valid on the 4-hour time frame, and that is that you have one touch here, second touch there, third one, and the fourth one. So the trend line needs 3 touches, and you already have 4 touches, so that makes it a valid one. Now, if you break out, let's see if you can actually break out. We want to see a break like this and then continue up, and that's going to be a technical target again to go from here to here. We're going to move up to nearly 6811, somewhere right there. So that's like a trade setup, and you have a possibility of making nearly 24% to 25% move if this happens actually. And right now, can it break out? There are chances it does, and it should. But when I look at Bitcoin, I don't know, I'm kind of silent on if Bitcoin can be a problem at the moment. But I'm not going to bring in Bitcoin at the moment. I'm not throwing Bitcoin on altcoins, because I do think altcoins are quite low at the moment. They're really down. And I do hear a lot of people saying alt season is around the corner, and Bitcoin dominance is sitting at some sort of resistance area. The altcoins can actually start to fly very, very soon, and we can have one of the massive altcoin season that we've been waiting for so long. Let's see how many people are going to be true about that. But I don't have any comments on that one. I'm going to actually look at the dominance of Bitcoin and see if actually we can have an altcoin season, because I would love to have an altcoin season myself. I have my altcoins which are just pretty much sideways. I'm still waiting for those ones to move as well. And that's pretty much it for this update on Jasmy. Bye. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.